Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to reset Explore page on Instagram. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down to what you see. Then tap on Suggested Content. Here there are various options. Tap on Interested. Make sure that the topics you're not interested is not in this section. Then go back. Tap on Not Interested. Here you can find the posts that you have not interested in. If you go to specific words and phrases, you can add in the words or phrases that you're not interested in. If you go to sensitive content, you can adjust how often you want to see the sensitive content in your feed. You can also do so for political topics by going to political content at the bottom. Next is to go back to Settings. Go to Your Activity under How You Use Instagram. Scroll down to Recent Searches. Clear all the searches. To do so, simply tap on Clear All at the top right. Tap on Clear All again to confirm. Then go back to your Explore page. Refresh the page. And that is how to reset Explore page on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.